Yo, what is going on, my individuals? How are you guys doing? Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Today I got 11 morning habits that will benefit all of you guys. Now the first two are pre-morning habits that you should do the night before, so that way it'll save you time the next morning. So let's just jump right into it with number one. Plan out what you're gonna wear the night before. A lot of the times when you're in a hurry and you start rushing through your wardrobe, scattering for pieces, you end up leaving the house with a wacky outfit. So I highly encourage you guys to take the night before, figure out your outfit, take a couple minutes on it, so that way the next morning you're not in a rush and you know exactly what you're gonna wear, you have a dope outfit, and your confidence is just you know you're looking good. Number two is plan out your day the night before. Now for me personally, whenever I just take 3 to 4 minutes planning out my day and what time I'm gonna do what, it's super beneficial. I was always taught that if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. A lot of the times when you don't map out your day, you drift off and you start doing other stuff that's not high priority. All right, next up, number three. Now for most of us men, getting ready in the mornings isn't too complex. We brush our teeth, maybe take a shower, do our hair, moisturize, if that, and we head out the door. However, when we are scrambling through the store and we're trying to figure out what products to buy, what's the the best deal, what's the best product to use, this can get very time consuming. So I found that Dollar Shave Club has us dudes covered. Personally, I've been using Dollar Shave Club products for years now, as most of you know, and they're actually today's sponsor, which I'm super stoked about. They've got everything you need to walk out that door looking, feeling, and just smelling your best. For instance, I just received their Daily Essentials Starter Set, and honestly, it's got everything that you need for the morning. If you check it out here, it comes with the body wash, which smells amazing, flushable moist wipes, a top-of-the-line shaving kit, and their Mel magazine. And obviously you can use that when you're having those nice long toilet sessions and you need to keep busy. For years I actually just thought Dollar Shave Club was just a shaving company, shaving brand, but turns out that they got everything that a dude needs to be a dude. And the reason why I'm presenting them to you guys is simply because if you go with Dollar Shave Club, they're gonna hook you up with great quality stuff at great prices. Simple as that. Now, if you wanna try this kit out, Dollar Shave Club is basically giving away their Essentials Starter Set for only $5. Son. And of course, after the first box, replacement cartridges are just sent to your house for only a few bucks a month. So if you guys wanna jump on this exclusive offer, be sure to visit dollarshaveclub.com/Dre. That's dollarshaveclub.com/Dre. I'll be sure to put that link in the description below. All right, next up we got making your bed. Now I know I'm not your dad, but you guys need to make your bed. As you guys can see right here, my bed is perfectly made. I'll grab my mirror so you guys can see my bed right there, dude. That sucker's made, bro. That's what you need to do. Now, how you do anything is how you do everything. And accomplishment starts with the small things. When you make your bed, no matter what or how your day went, you come back home to accomplishment. You come back home to success, ready just to start again the next day. Let a good word in before you let the world in. That basically means to either watch, listen, or read some kind of positive development. Whether it's a positive development book, video on YouTube, listening to that type of stuff before you, let the world in, before you go out into the world, before you go on Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. See, there's so much negative stuff in this world, It's not too hard to find. Personally, I like to wake up every morning and, get in on that stuff to get those power thoughts going, And so that whole topic leads me into my next one, which is stripping away all of the things, all of the distractions that are keeping you from your dreams and goals, and focusing on things that are gonna help you get closer to them. So I would highly encourage you guys, and I even encourage myself because I need to practice this more often too, but go throughout your day and really pay attention to the things that may be distracting you, starting from right in the morning when you wake up. Whether it's the internet, your phone, maybe it could be an addiction to food, maybe it's an addiction to video games. I remember me personally, I used to wake up in elementary school, I used to wake up like 20 minutes earlier just so I could go and play Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 2. Now these days, of course, I choose not to do that. So for instance, if you find social media very distracting, try to minimize it to maybe a few times a week, maybe every other day. Or you can, turn off all of your notifications so that way it doesn't tempt you to keep going on Instagram all day long. Or you can even go a step further and, unfollow Instagram accounts that just share too much gossip and negative things. The world offers a lot of distractions, you guys, so pay attention to them and minimize them as best as you can. Number 7, eating healthy. Now I know this is a very cliche thing. Of course, eating healthy is very beneficial. However, I think it is one of the most important things. Like, I really want to emphasize that. For those of you that, maybe wake up and eat a box of Captain Crunch or Lucky Charms, try instead to have some Ezekiel, cereal, or maybe some Quaker Oats. You can throw in some berries on top, have some eggs off to the side for a nice source of protein. Eating like this will change the game for you. It'll keep you focused, keep you sharp, and it'll just keep you overall motivated for your day. Lemon water. Now this is something that I just started doing recently, and that is to put a little bit of lemon juice inside of a cup of hot water. Now drinking lemon water on an empty stomach actually flushes out toxins and helps overall digestion from the citric acid. And it also helps burn belly fat because a stressed liver, you guys, cannot burn fat effectively. And so the lemon actually detoxifies the liver and helps it just function properly. Number 9, opening your blinds. Now when you wake up and you don't open up your blinds and you're just in the dark and you're getting dressed and ready in the dark, it actually tricks your mind into thinking that it's still nighttime, like it's time to go to bed. And so the last thing you want is to walk around like a zombie. So open up those blinds, tell your mind it is time to wake up. It's time to rise and grind. Simple as that. Number 10, this is something that I found very beneficial, and I actually learned it from Jim Quick, who is like the mastermind behind brain power, and that is to wake up every morning and either do a Wim Hof meditation method or wake up and do just about 5 minutes of cardio. And the reason why is simply because of oxygen. Oxygen, you guys, is so important to the human body. It is powerful, and to get that oxygen going by doing deep breathing exercises is perfect. Doing either Wim Hof's breathing method, which involves a lot of oxygen, or doing cardio, which involves a lot of heavy breathing, it's just overall great, and it's really great for your heart as well. So your body is only about 2% of your total body weight, but it consumes about 20% of the nutrients and the oxygen. So as you guys can tell, it's very important to get that oxygen in, right in the morning when you wake up. All in all, you guys, life is about creating good, healthy keystone habits. So start small, start today, start creating little positive habits in your life, and eventually it'll bleed on over into other bigger areas of your life. You'll start to automatically create bigger positive habits, and eventually your life will just be consumed by positive habits without even trying. That's what a keystone habit is. So I hope you all dug this video. I hope this video helped you out. By the way, to all my individuals, the new individuals tees, street tees, are now out, so be sure to get that. I'll put that in the description below so you guys can purchase it right now. Before I go, I just want to give a few shout outs to my loyal subscribers, the ones that support me constantly. So right here we got Lucas Ridner. I hope I have that right. Lucas Ridner, mad love to you, brother. Next up we have Kevin Hernandez, Gentle Kevin. And last up we have From Tired to Trained, Mista Guess. Appreciate your love and support, you guys. Anybody else who wants a shout out in my next video, be sure to let me know in the comments below what was your favorite tip of today, and be sure to put your Instagram username as well. If you dug this video, be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and be sure to hit that notifications button to be informed when I drop my next video. And until then, you guys, I'll see you all very soon. My name is Drexler. Shaka Bra.